I don't think you can anyway, unless you go over 80, because the roads are already closed. When we got snow of our own in the Sierra, and Paul's going to tell us about that.
Yeah, we are going to pick up more over the upcoming several days, because while the Bay Area gets rain, it is going to be snow in the high Sierra. Let's take a look at how much. This is an estimate from one of the forecast models. We're going to go all the way through early next week. And you can see the numbers just going up and up and up. We're talking about feet of snow. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that 3 feet of snow is going to stick, because the ground is still relatively warm, so a lot of this is going to melt. But that's okay, too, because this part of California, like the rest of the state, desperately needs the moisture. And there's more on the way for us as well. Let's take a look at the big picture perspective. Dry break for most of us on Tuesday. There's a chance of a couple showers sneaking into the North Bay before the sun goes down tomorrow. I'll show you that on Futurecast in just a second. But the next storm system is already going to be moving closer to the coast tomorrow night, so we're going to see rain becoming likely tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, and into early Wednesday. And this is just the second in a parade of storm systems that's going to be sending some more very welcome rain into the Bay Area. Let's check out Futurecast and that next chance of rain. It's going to wait until late in the day tomorrow. So for most of the day, we'll see a mix of clouds and sunshine overhead. Temperatures still well below average, but the rain hanging out well off the coast until tomorrow evening. There's that chance for a couple of sprinkles or showers north of the Golden Gate before the sun goes down, but we're looking at the best chance of rain moving onshore in the North Bay a couple hours after sunset, with widespread and heavier rain than what we saw last night. This is going to be a more substantial rain event. That first batch of rain moves quickly through the Bay Area, but following it up, there are going to be more bands of light to moderate rain they're going to move through for the rest of Tuesday night and off and on throughout the day on Wednesday as well. So it's going to be an unsettled weather pattern. Every day has a decent chance of rain for the rest of the week. You got stuff you need to get done outside tomorrow during the day. That's your best chance. And then again on Saturday during the daylight hours before yet another round of rain moves in. Let's add up this next round of rain with Futurecast again. We're looking at the most substantial amounts north of the Golden Gate, anywhere from around 1/3 of an inch in Novato to close to an inch for Santa Rosa and Calistoga, to almost 1.5 inches for Healdsburg. Lower amounts for San Francisco and inland in the East Bay, but 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 inch for most of us would be very welcome. The lowest amounts in the rain shadow of the Santa Cruz Mountains. San Jose only likely to pick up a few hundredths of an inch of rain, but that's more than the 1/100th that you picked up last night. Right now, we have dry conditions, a nice mix of clouds and sunshine with cool temperatures. Upper 50s in San Francisco with low to mid 60s elsewhere. And it's going to be a chilly night. Temperatures in the North Bay valleys dropping down into the upper 30s, while the rest of us end up in the 40s by early tomorrow morning. The winds are going to pick up as we head through tomorrow afternoon, as the atmosphere gets squeezed ahead of that next storm system. So the wind's more noticeable by noon, but getting kind of gusty by late tomorrow afternoon. 15 to 20 mile an hour sustained winds with some gusts over 20 miles an hour. Temperatures tomorrow, a good 4 to 7 degrees below average, and even cooler temperatures are going to be with us off and on as we head through the rest of the week. But let's zoom in for tomorrow's temperatures. Around 60 along the coast, and, well, not much difference elsewhere. Mid to upper 60s around the South Bay and into the Santa Clara Valley. A few spots around 70 degrees. The warmest spots inland in the East Bay, just barely above 70. A lot of upper 60s in the Tri-Valley, with mid 60s in San Francisco and mid to upper 60s for Oakland and the East Bay. Also mid to upper 60s for the North Bay, and even cooler conditions farther north, where the clouds and the showers are going to arrive just a little bit earlier. Look at all these rain chances in the 7-day forecast. Little ups and downs to our temperatures, but it's not the temperatures that matter this time around. The best chances of rain are going to arrive tomorrow night into Wednesday, another round on Friday, another round Sunday into Monday. We add all of it up, and we're talking about the potential for a couple inches of rain for most of the Bay Area. We're going to